Hello, everybody. It's my pleasure to welcome you to today's learning. So, today, what are we going to be doing? Today, we're going to install Citavi. So, we'll run through the process of installation of Citavi and make sure that it actually works with the Microsoft Word plugin. So, it's very important. So, let's quickly get to the point. So, when you open your browser, all you need to do is you visit www.citavi.com. So once you visit citavi.com, you get to see the download section. So click on it. So you download Citavi 6.5. But this is not really necessary, so you can just cancel this. Then save this file. So once the software is being downloaded, I just want to show you like one or two things for you to be able to understand. So Citavi is kind of a free software. It's free to use, but the free edition has a lot of limitations. Like the number of references you can do, how you can be able to share, the collaboration power that is embedded with Citavi. So that is why you find out that in most occasions, students or researchers tends to use the paid edition. So basically, this video is mostly made for students, but researchers are also welcome to use it because you gain a lot of insight and a lot of ways to be able to use Citavi. So now, if you're a student, all you need to do is you click on this student because this step is actually very important. Once you click on the students, you have the option of using the free license or the site license. Now, the good thing, or you buy the license too. So, but the good thing is that most universities actually paid for this license for their students. So all you need to do is to take advantage of that offer from your university. So to be able to confirm if your university has actually paid for the Citavi license, you just click on the site license. Now, here you will see the list of all the universities that has paid for a particular license. So let's assume that I go to Freie University Berlin. So all I need to do is to click here. So once I click here, I will identify myself as a student. Then I'll just add my student's email. So it's possible that your student email might be james.bond@fu-berlin.de. Anything. Just once you add it there, you get the next prompt. So in the next prompt, so they will tell you that they have sent a confirmation link to your school email. So all you need to do, I might not want to go through those processes now. So all you need to do is just to go straight to your school email. You open your school email and you find a confirmation link. If truly this is your school email, you find a confirmation link to your school email. Then from there, you just click on the confirmation link and automatically you have an account with Citavi. So with that account, we'll be able to use it in the further process to come. So it's also very, very important that you create an account because you'll be able to enhance fully the power of collaboration that comes with Citavi when you create an account. So as you can see, our software has downloaded successfully. So I wouldn't want to start going through the folder. I will just click on it straight. So once I click on it, yes, so I got a prompt to install it. So this kind of prompt you get. So you need to click yes. So now you choose your language. For me, my language is not Deutsch. My language is English. So you select English. Okay. So the installation begins immediately. So it's also very important for you to note that while the installation is ongoing, that Citavi is a very powerful software. It's very powerful in the sense that it's to help your research, to help you organize, reference, and manage your research 100%. Irrespective of the volume of the research you're writing, the example that we're going to run through in these lectures will actually be a very good guide for you to work with Citavi. So you click next, you accept, next. It's the custom installation is always the best. Next, and then finally you install the Citavi. So you get to see the Citavi the progress bar as the Citavi runs. So we'll be back immediately after the installation of the Citavi. So now we have a freshly installed Citavi available. So this my installation is done. Maybe your own is probably done too. So all you need to do is to click finish. You head to your desktop. So in your desktop you will find a freshly installed Citavi. So now you've successfully installed Citavi on your Windows system. So click on Citavi. So let's try to access Citavi to be sure that we fully installed something that we truly want and we will truly be proud of to work with. So the first thing that Citavi will prompt you is to log in. So Citavi will prompt you to log in. So this is where you log in with either your university or your private account that you created. So, or you register for free. So it depends on which login access you have. So me, I'm going to log in with the access that I have. So in the next lecture, we'll start the various process that has to do with Citavi. So before then, it's very important that you confirm that Citavi installed a plugin in your Microsoft Word. So we'll go ahead and open Microsoft Word. So you go ahead and open Microsoft Word so that you're able to confirm that the Citavi plugin is installed in your Microsoft Word. So as you can see here, it's even telling me that it's opening the Citavi add-in. So it's very important that this Citavi add-in is available in your Microsoft Word, because this will ensure that the stuff you do in Citavi will easily be transferred from your Citavi to your Microsoft Word, from your Microsoft Word to your Citavi. So let's go to blank document to confirm that. So as you can see, Citavi is now part of my Microsoft Word plugin. So it's very important. So this is the Citavi pane that we're going to work with. Once we start working with Citavi, using this will be very, very, very important in our Microsoft Word. So let's continue from the next video. Thank you very much.